what's your name?
My name is Swami Paramtej.
Where are you from?
I'm from India and I'm from the organization called Art of Living, founded by His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, which is present in over 165 countries.
Okay. To how many countries did you go already?
Well, so far I probably would have visited over 45 countries.
Can you mention some of them?
Well, almost all countries of Latin America, then Southeast, then Europe. Yeah, so like, there's so many countries, and go to Taiwan, Hong Kong, Indonesia, and Singapore. Then you go to Europe like Italy, UK, France, Germany, then Luxembourg, Spain. Then I stayed 2 years in London also. So like so many, like almost major countries of Europe, and of course Latin American, all the countries I keep visiting so many times. On average, like say in a year I end up visiting nearly 40 countries, like only Latin American also.
Okay, what's the meaning of art of living?
Everybody is living. Every person is living, and they are bound by the situations. If situations are good, you are happy. If situations are not good, you are sad. So you call it as a part of living. But if the situations are not good, not very favorable, and still you're not able to you're not able to lose your smile, now that is called art of living. That you can be happy, you can have a smile, and you have the understanding of life, what it is. Now that is what we call the art of living, having an unshakable smile. Doesn't matter what is the circumstance.
So what's the purpose that you came to Nikeri?
Well, the same purpose, that I have to teach art of living to everybody. Anybody who's depressed, anybody who has, who wants, some enthusiasm, something to carry on, some goal, some vision for life, and so I'm here to give direction to all those people who are looking for a meaningful life full of enthusiasm, life full of joy, life full of happiness, good health, caring, sharing. So I'm just here to guide everybody.
In Nikeri and Paramaribo, actually in whole the world, there are a lot of suicide cases. Do you have something to say about that?
Yes, why suicide happens, why person, reach to that level that they commit suicide. First thing is, we have our energy levels. Everybody has energy levels. So if the energy levels are very low, that time you feel so suffocated and just want to break free. Why energy levels are low? Because of so much of desires which are not fulfilled, or there is no goal in life. Yeah, because if somebody has a goal, purpose in life, the whole life gets a direction. But if there is no goal, no purpose in life, you feel life is kind of useless. And then the circumstances, of course, economic condition, and you feel that, oh, I'm not worthy, I'm not able to enjoy life, I'm not able to stand up to the expectations of others. So peer pressure becomes one reason, economic situation one reason, then not able to have a direction in life is one reason. So there can be so many reasons, but everything boils down to one thing: the person is not happy. So if a person is happy, he cannot commit suicide. He will think, what I can do for others. And also, when somebody is too much thinking about themselves, what about me? Will I get bread tomorrow or not? What will happen after 1 month? Then is the fastest way to get depressed. Thinking about me. But the moment you start thinking, let me see, how can I make somebody happy? What I can do for somebody? You don't need big resources to do that. Just your smile is good enough. Somebody is little upset, somebody, you see somebody smiling, joyful, you start getting that smile. If you see somebody needs some physical help, you do that. You don't need to have big things to be able to help people. Wherever you are, whatever you can do, you can still do so many things and be useful for people. So if you start becoming useful, there is no point for you to even think about committing suicide. Who commits suicide? Who have nothing to do. Yeah, and I tell you, your life is so important. You have no idea, yeah, who you are, what you are. Life is so precious. We are here to take so many things from life and understand what is life. Art of Living is there. If you don't have these answers, Art of Living is there. We are ready with open arms to greet you, help you, and I can assure you, joining Art of Living programs, it's like just saying is not going to help. We have to make a transformation. And how transformation happens? When you are able to raise your energy levels. And that's what we do when you do happiness course of Art of Living. Is for the adults, and we have for youth, 18 onwards, we have a Yes Plus, which is called Youth Empowerment Seminar. So youth gets empowered not only for themselves, for the society also. We have Yes for people from 13 to 18. We have a program from 8 to 13 called Art Excel. So we have program for every person. Yeah, anybody can make the life better. Anybody can be happy. Yes.
How can people contact you?
Well, Art of Living is there in Suriname. So when you even go to Art of Living Suriname page, or even we really want in Nekeri also to have big centers so that we can do so many things for the society. So many programs, so many social projects. So we are very hopeful that everybody needs these programs, and we can do make Nekeri as a model town of Paramaribo, of Suriname. And with that, we can really make Suriname a very happy, healthy and prosperous country.
Youngsters should meditate. Why should they meditate?
Youngsters have energy. And if this energy is not channelized in a proper way, it bites themselves. So why, so many youngsters, they find themselves in a very bad mood, very bad phase. They have no good relation with the family, sometimes with the friends, sometimes with the teachers. Why? Because they are not able to channelize this energy properly. And our techniques, Art of Living techniques, give them this strength to channelize this energy and make it so much useful for themselves and for the society.
Do you have a message for the people in Nekeri?
Yes, I would really like to welcome everybody. Nekeri is such a beautiful town, and we have to make it as an ideal town that, probably for the whole of Caribbean region, they should see that how Nekeri can be transformed into a very happy, healthy and prosperous town, and this should be taken out to everybody. So it's very easy. All the people who really want to join with us, we are ready with open arms. Let's make a better Nekeri, let's make a better Suriname. Yes.
Can you say the same message in Hindi so people that don't understand English, they know what's your purpose?
Which message? The last message?
Yeah.
तो हम आप सब भाईजनों को, भाई बहन, माता बहन, भाई, सबको हम आमंत्रित करते हैं कि आप सब मिलके आप आइए, जीवन जीने की कला आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के साथ जुड़िए. हम इस नेकेरी को एक बहुत ही आदर्श नेकेरी बना सकते हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चे, बूढ़े, जवान, सब लोगों के एकदम ऊर्जा एकदम अच्छे से बढ़े, सब एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े रहें, एक दूसरे की मदद के लिए, और अपने समाज को, पहले अपने शरीर को, अपने मन को अच्छे से ऊपर से उठाएं, फिर समाज को ऊपर उठाएं. हम ये दुनिया भर में हो रहा है, हम निकेरी में भी करेंगे. आप सब लोग बस जो भी इस मैसेज को सुन रहे हैं, चाहते हैं एक अच्छा निकेरी आदर्श समाज बनाना, वो बस हमारे साथ जुड़ जाएं. कोई देरी नहीं, हम बस कुछ ही सालों के अंदर निकेरी को एक आदर्श समाज बना सकते हैं. तो आप सबका आमंत्रण है, आप सबका हम इंतजार करेंगे निकेरी में. और आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग तो है ही, सूरीनाम में है ही, पैरामैरिबो में है. अब बस इसको निकेरी में लाके एक एक घर को हमारे को एक सुंदर और स्वस्थ और इकोनॉमिकली उसको बोल सकते हैं अपना समृद्ध बनाना है. हर एक घर में लोगों को खुश रहना है, और यही हमारा ध्येय है कि हम एक एक घर में हर एक व्यक्ति को खुशी दे सके, उनको अच्छा सा स्वास्थ्य दे सके, उनके जीवन में एक उमंग हो, एक तरंग हो, और आप सबके साथ हम मिलकर कर सकते हैं।